In the coming 3 episodes, I have something special and meaningful to share with you all. Welcome to the first episode of How I Travel with My Mom in Bangkok. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in Hong Kong today for a special reason. I'm here to pick up my mom for a holiday. We are off to Bangkok, Thailand. Every year, I plan to an overseas trip somewhere with her. And tonight, we are off to Bangkok, and I'm a bit scared because she is getting older. She's over 85, and her memory is not great. I hope everything goes smoothly, and you will watch it. See what's going on because I don't know yet. And before that, we are going to the lounge and fix up her stomach. Otherwise, you will get grumpy. So come with me, go to Bangkok, Thailand. Hong Kong Airport is fantastic. Not only do they have so many lounges where you can have a quick meal, they also have a buggy service. Of course, you have to pay for this service, but for my mom, her condition is better than walking through the huge airport. Just take a buggy to the gate. Not only that, they have wheelchair service all the way to her seat.
Cabin crew, please be seated for the landing. Thank you.
Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. This time, I'm staying at the Grand Hyatt Erawan Bangkok. It is a luxury hotel in this part of the city. But what makes this place so special? Let me take you inside. This hotel is right in the heart of the city, at the Rajdamri intersection, one of the most convenient locations of travelers, especially if you are with someone who needs a bit more care and comfort. As I mentioned, this time I travel with my elderly mom, so the location is very important. So this is why I choose this hotel, the Grand Hyatt Erawan Hotel. Perfectly honest, I would like to take her back to the Peninsula Bangkok, but for the destination and also the convenience for her to shopping and no complicated transport, and I would say staying around the Siam, the CBD area would be perfect for her. So now here is the lobby. I'm going to show you the breakfast area. This is a huge area. Later on, I might have a chance to talk to the sales department and maybe show me around and get more information about how many rooms, and also show you the room we stay, and also show you the suite, like a high-end suite. So anyway, this is the breakfast room. And they are preparing in the moment. The Grand Hyatt is one of the best locations in Bangkok. It is connected to the BTS, which is a train, and also the Skytrain around the walkway. The walkway, I believe, is called Rajdamri. And within a walk distance of a major shopping center like the Central World, Gaison, and Siam Paragon, and a famous Arana Shrine. So here is the reception and check-in. But now let me take you to the basement first. In the basement, they have 3 restaurant and bar, and this is the bistro Gaston. And also, this is like a cafe. Even you not stay in the Grand Hyatt Erawan Hotel, you can actually just enjoy a coffee here. And that is a 494 bar. You can go through around the campus, and this is called Me and You and Noodle Bar. But go through here, you can go to the other building, which is a Gaison. On the level 5, which is they have the 24-hour gym and pool. But pool is not 24 hours. This is why I can't show you now. But soon around 6 a.m. they will open the pool. But let me go to the gym. And they also have a lesson like a hatha yoga, and also got some stretch exercise. Morning. So this 24 hours gym, I think, is designed for a lot of people, not just a traveler, also a business people. And when they cannot sleep at night, they can just come here for a little bit of exercise, other than just go out and doing nothing because there's no shop open, right? And inside the gym and pool area, they also have a Isawas spa. So this is only a reception. They also have the hair salon at the back of me. I'm going to show you later. The smell here is really Thai, really beautiful, and make you relax. And just at the back of me, this is the nail bar, the hair salon. Morning. So once it opened the pool door, and this is the pool area, and the moment is not even 6 a.m. yet, so they are preparing. You can see the skylight and the outdoor area. The morning flash is so wonderful in Bangkok. We do feel holiday compared to the other city wherever you come from. There's a lot of beautiful frangipani tree here, and a stunning close to full moon in the background. Now it's time for a room tour. So this is the room, and the mom and I we stay. And this is a what suite is that?
This one is the twin bedroom.
Twin bedroom.
Standard one, yeah.
Okay. So here is a twin bedroom. The facility is really nice. So that's good desk. Nice view. Giant televisions, and also have all the facility, have coffee machine, kettles, drinking bottles, and drinking minibar here. And here is the tea and coffee supplies. Now let me get in the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Have a bed here, but this door you can close it, so you don't have my privacy next to mom. And here's the bath. Mom won't use it. I'm going to show you the shower on the other side. Let me go there. So it's a single basin, but they also supplies a water for brush your teeth. Just be safe. And that's a standard bathroom, the toilet, and that's a good facility. It's interesting shower here because you can see what's going on the other side. They're using a very good high-end product, which is the Balmain Paris. They have a body wash and shampoo and shower conditioner, and also the bath soap, and bath soap and bath salt. Nice feelings, bathroom. Here's the door, you can close it. So here is the wardrobe. The wardrobe have iron and iron board here, slipper, bathrobe, and then here is the safe. So that's the room tour. I hope you like this room. I have to say something about the hotel. If you do decide to stay here and then you want to know where is your room number, now there's no room number around. Yeah, there's no room number here. It's actually there on the column. Yeah, so you just have to watch below the number and then you can find your room. So the Grand Hyatt Erawan Hotel, they also show me the deluxe room. This is the deluxe room to choose and which one is better, but the layer is quite similar. So here's the bathroom and the bedroom here. The difference between the deluxe room, the twin room we have, is they have a long couch here. The space-wise is quite similar, maybe a little bit bigger on that side. Television size same, so the mini bar area here, and extra cup and saucepan here, and also the tea and coffee facility is all here. It's pretty much the same. So I might go back to my twin room. That's all about it. So I'm going to show you a different part of the hotel.
Is this 5 years?
Okay.
This thing on the left might be able to. So over here we also serve the breakfast and the evening lounge as well. And during the day you can come here, have a seat, having some drinks, the coffee, tea, and some soda pop.
Yep.
And the evening we have the happy hour, serving the alcoholic beverage free flow, including in the club access from 5:30 to 6:30.
Okay. So some people just have the regular breakfast in the lobby, and then for the like the World of Hyatt, the Hyatt membership, they can just eat it here.
That's right.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. The breakfast I like in the Grand Hyatt Erawan Hotel is the Chinese donut with a soya milk, with also contains milk. So what you do is dip in it and eat it. So now we finished a breakfast. Just want to ask Mom, did you like it? So Mom, did you like it? Very good. The best part of this hotel for my mom is this outdoor pool area. Since the hotel isn't on the riverside and doesn't have a garden, this area is perfect for relaxation, so you can just sit here and enjoy the view of Bangkok City. I hope you enjoyed this episode like I do. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. The next episode is all about our first 2 days itinerary. Stay tuned.